we're going to talk about how to make a Shirley Temple at home. Now my kids love to get this drink at the restaurants, but I have 3 kids, and so 3 Shirley Temples truly add up. So I do it a lot in my house. You can definitely use 7-Up or Sprite or any type of sort of clear soda that you have on hand. But I actually like to switch it up and do Perrier because I'm already going to be adding some sugar with the grenadine. But you could do, use Sprite or 7-Up if that's more up your alley. So you just want to fill your cup up with your clear drink of choice, and then grenadine is found pretty much anywhere. You don't necessarily need to go to a liquor store. You could find this in your supermarket. The proper recipe for a cup of soda is about 1.5 tablespoons, but if you watch this channel, you know I just really sort of eye it. So okay, there you go. You have about 1.5 tablespoons of grenadine. And then you want to get the Maraschino Cherries. Now, the Maraschino Cherries with the stems on are the most fun for the kids because they like to sort of try to pick them and find them and all that jazz. So I like to just put 1 or 2, hang them, let them drop in. That's all, you don't have to have them hang off to the side or anything special like that. And here's a frugal tip. I will say this. Growing up, before Cherry 7-Up actually hit the market, my grandmother would not buy grenadine. She would pour us a 7-Up. She would take a couple of cherries, and then she would literally just pour the cherry juice out of the maraschino jar into the soda. And it was just as sweet and just as delicious. You don't need to buy both of these. So if you don't want to absolutely get the grenadine and the cherries, because this was at least $6 or $7, and then this is probably another $4 or $5. You can do the whole thing for, a 2-liter soda and maybe just 1 can of these, and just pour a little bit of the juice of the cherries into your soda, and you will have that same flavor, that same fun taste. If you want it a little bit more sweet, add a little bit more. That's completely up to you. But with me having the Perrier and just a little bit of the grenadine, it is perfect. So that's basically the short story, and like I said, the grenadine is the true recipe. This is the true recipe for making Shirley Temple at home, but the secret trick is you really only need the maraschino cherries and the actual juice, and this will last you quite some time. I have 3 kids, and I don't buy this very often. And I'm gonna say it one more time, you really don't need this soda. You can do seltzer and be just as happy, and it's just as sweet and just saving 100 calories a pop. All right guys, so cheers, and until next time.